Okay, another episode in calculations involving annuities. In this case, we have two consecutive ordinary simple annuities. All right, so Maya invested $140 at the end of every 6 months for 6 years, followed by $320 at the end of every 6 months for 10 years. Our investment earned 9% of compound or our investment earned 9% compounded semi-annually for the entire 16 years. Answer the following questions and round all answers to two decimal places if necessary. How much will Maya have in the account after 6 years? That means the first 6 years. So what happens in the first 6 years? $140 gets deposited. So we put in negative $140. Yes, we can. And what else happens? End of every 6 months. So it means that PY is 2. And the compounding is for the entire 16 years, and it's semi-annually. So CY is also 2. All right, IY is, you can see right here is 9%. Well, right up here, right there. So that is 9. And what else is there? Present value is 0. And there we are computing this future value right here, right? So let us go. Second IY, PY is 2, and we know when we enter that value, it will be the same value for CY. So we don't need to enter it again. So let's come out of there. And that is for how many years? Well, that is for 6 years. That's the first part. So we go 6, second, N, and N turns out to be 12, 6 times 2. Interest rate is 9%, so 9%, that is the number showing up here, 9% for the entire 16 years. Present value is 0. We're starting with 0. We're making contributions of $140. So 140 is, we put it as negative, and then we can compute the future value. And that future value turns out to be $2,164.96. All right. So there we are. All right. Next. How much will Maya have in the account after 16 years? So what happens? Yes. Well, this future value here will become the present value down here. Correct? Yes. So let's insert it. Correct. Okay. So there we are. So we can take that number and just click on present value as we've done before. Now the $320 is made at the end of every 6 months. So PY is still 2 and CY is still 2. That never changed. Okay? And the interest rate is still 9. Payment? Yes, we do have payments. And as previously happened, we now know that payment and present value have to be the same sign. So we have been informed and we are computing the future value. Okay, so here we go. So second, IY, PY is 2, CY is also 2, and we are finished. We can quit there. IY, no, sorry, N. Now, N, we have to use what? 16 years in the account after 16 years. So I think we need to be careful. Let's read the question properly. So it's really 6 years and 6 plus 10. So this second part, we are using 10 years, all right? Not 16. So there we go. 10, second, N, N. So N turns out to be 20. IY is 9. If we recall IY, we will see it was 9 in there. If you recall the present value, we would see we have this number, which was transferred from the future value previously. Payment is 320, so we must go here and put it in as positive. Why? Because the present value is also positive, and now we can go and compute the future value. There we are. The answer is 15,260.13. And hopefully this time everything is correct. And everything is correct, just like how we learned from the last question in the last episode. That is it for this one. So there are the answers. Let's bring them out so you can see it properly with the question. And with that, we are finished here for now.